Hey guys, SBC Morton 2001 here. Today I'm going to film some of the lightning. Whoa, look at that lightning. Whoa. I don't see any cloud to ground lightning, which is surprising. I just hope no cloud to ground lightning comes here. Surprised I'm not seeing any hail, really. Well, look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like huge lightning stuff. Don't let the dog out this time. Well, there was a huge lightning thingy up there.
Hey, don't talk, I'm trying to get a video.
Okay, yeah. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn the light off out here.
Alright. Go ahead. Alright.
It's gonna be cool.
Yep. Now you can see it better here. Through the camera.
Don't talk. Here, don't talk, Isaac.
I'm surprised none of you guys can see it.
Don't talk, I'm making a video.
None of you guys can see it. Oh yeah, there's one. This is our first lightning in about 5 months. No, there's no cloud to ground that I know of here. Oh, I just felt a raindrop here. If it starts like downpouring, I gotta head inside. Just look at that lightning, guys. It's a cool sight during the. Oh.
It's just cool to hear the sound. Here, listen to this music.
Whoa, look at that lightning. Adam, turn it down. I don't want any copyright strikes.
You can't get...
No, of course I can. If people hear
that. You're recording on YouTube?
Oh yeah, I might.
Cool.
Alright. Oh, there's a bug on here.
It's a gnat.
Oh, it's a gnat, yeah. There's a tornado warning in northeast Tazewell again.
Don't make a video, please. I just want to listen to my music out here. It's a cool sight with the lightning.
Alrighty, I have my monitor.
Stop the video, please. Stop the video.
It says ping pong ball sized hail and
Stop the freaking video, Isaac.
I'm gonna go up here anyway. Alright. Yeah, look at that lightning. I don't know if you can see.
Stop the video. Are you still talking to your friend?
Yeah, I'm gonna go inside here in just a minute because I don't want any of my electronics to get wet here. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.